Hello and welcome to European Market Recap. Heading through into the midpoint of European trade today, equity markets in Europe sliding slightly, heading through into the Wall Street opening bell. In terms of overnight news flow, Chinese inflation numbers providing a pretty mixed picture as CPI surges beyond forecast, driven by a 4% rise in food prices, limiting the extent to which the central bank can ease their monetary policy. However, the producer price index actually declined further into negative territory, providing further concerns over the oversupply of capacity in the Chinese economy. Elsewhere overnight, we had Aussie and Kiwi employment data, both firmly beating expectations, providing a lot of support for the Aussie and Kiwi dollars in the FX markets, which is pervading through into the US crossover. But elsewhere today, the British pound is seen stronger against its European counterpart as manufacturing and industrial production both surge beyond expectations. Very firm numbers there from the UK, which does support an unchanged rate decision at today's Bank of England's rate announcement at midday London time, where the beat on figures such as GDP and PMIs do support an unchanged policy at today's announcement. But on a final note, a Spanish auction today did go through relatively smoothly, selling over the top of the indicative range, 4.75 billion euros across three lines, with declining yields across all three lines, but not supplying too much relief in the debt markets, as the Spanish-German 10-year government bond yield spread does remain wider by just shy of 10 basis points. But looking ahead in the session, of course, we have the Bank of England rate announcement at midday London time, and that's followed an hour and a half later by the weekly jobs data out of the US, which of course will bring you as soon as it hits the wires, as well as any other relevant commentary to your trading. In the meantime, that's all from me. Make sure you have a great rest of the day.